Hello, this is Cristi Muro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a landed cost in SAP Business One when your items come from multiple Goods Receipt POs or from multiple vendors. Let's start by creating a landed cost using multiple Goods Receipt POs from the same vendor. To create a landed cost from multiple vendors, I'm going to go to Purchasing, Landed Cost. I'm going to start by selecting the vendor. The broker is optional, but I'm going to select it. And I'm going to click on Copy From Goods Receipt PO. Here the system will display all the Goods Receipt POs related to that vendor. Usually, if I need to select only one Goods Receipt PO, I select it and click on Choose. But in this case, we want to select multiple Goods Receipt POs. So the way that I'm going to do it is I'm going to click in the first document, in this case 1565, and then in my keyboard, I'm going to hold the Shift key and click the second Goods Receipt PO, which is a 1566, and I click on Choose. If I click on the Items tab, you will see that the system displays all items coming from both Goods Receipt POs. And if I click on the Vendors tab, you will see that I have here the vendor. Now I'm going to proceed and fulfill the information about the additional cost. I'm going to set 200 for the shipping, 200 for the storage, and I'm going to click on Add. So this is the way to create a landed cost from the same vendor, but from multiple Goods Receipt POs. Now let's see how to create a landed cost from multiple Goods Receipt POs, but coming from multiple vendors. So the first thing that I'm going to do is select the first vendor, and I'm going to click on Copy From Goods Receipt PO, and I'm going to select the Goods Receipt PO from that vendor. Then in the vendor, I'm going to select my second vendor. And here the system is going to ask me if I want to delete the previous selected vendor. In this case, I don't want to delete it. I want to keep it. So I'm going to click on No. And as you can see here now, in the vendor code, I see asterisk and I see different vendors because now I have two different vendors in the landed cost. Now I'm going to click on Copy From to select the Goods Receipt PO assigned to the vendor that I just selected. And the same thing, the system is going to ask me if I want to delete the previously selected item. So no, I don't want to delete it. I'm going to click on No. And now as you can see here in the Item tab, I will see all the items linked to both Goods Receipt PO and both vendors. Now in the vendor list, you will see that I have the two vendors that I have selected. Next, I will go ahead and enter the amounts for the landed cost. I'm going to enter 1,000 for the shipping and 1,000 for the storage, and I'm going to click on Add to create the landed cost. Now I will click the back arrow to view the landed cost I just created. Then I will right click and choose Relationship Map to see the Goods Receipt PO linked to this landed cost. And as you can see here, now we have two Goods Receipt POs. I'm going to open the first Goods Receipt PO. This is from the vendor AB Electronics. And if I open the second Goods Receipt PO, you will see that this Goods Receipt PO is for the vendor Ocean View Foods. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.